So class, moving on forward to our next topic, here we will learn how to represent the given rational number on number line. So before coming to the main topic, first of all I would like to give you idea about number line. So in number line, uh, here you are seeing some numbers are being represented. At the center point 0 is represented, and on the right side of 0 positive numbers are represented, and on the left side of 0 negative numbers are represented. Okay, similar is the case of rational number. Rational number which are positive should lie on right side, and those which are negative rational number should lie on left side of number line. So first of all, let's see with the example. Here I have taken 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. You have to represent these rational number on number line. So what is the method of representing the these rational number? First of all, you have to check the numerator as well as denominator of the given fraction. First we will represent plus 1 by 2. So in plus 1 by 2, numerator is 1 and denominator is 2, which is less, numerator is less than denominator. If numerator is less than denominator, then we will move to the step 2. Step 2 says convert the given rational number into decimal to find out where it lie on the number line. Here I have converted 1 by 2 into decimal as 0.5. So clearly you can see 0.5 lies between 0 and 1 on the number line. So now we will move on to step number 3. Step number 3 says that now divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 2 equal parts because denominator is 2. अब क्या करना है, आपको नंबर लाइन को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. ठीक है, you have to divide the number line into 2 equal parts because denominator is 2. अब denominator हम लोगों का 1 by 2 में क्या है, 2 है. So 0 और 1 के बीच में हमें नंबर लाइन को 2 equal parts में डिवाइड करना है. Okay, thus here see, here between 0 and 1 we have divided the number line into 2 equal parts. First part is this one and second part is this one. Now circle out this point. This point is the representation of 1 by 2. This point is the representation of 1 by 2. Similar is the case with minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is a negative rational number and it will lie on the left side of number line. Okay, and minus 1 by 2, here also numerator is less than denominator. Then after converting it into decimal, it will give minus 0.5, and minus 0.5 will lie between 0 and minus 1. Then after that you have to divide the number line between 0 and minus 1 into 2 equal parts. First part is this and second part is this. Okay, then you circle the first part. This will give the representation of minus 1 by 2. Now we will see with another example if the numerator is greater than denominator. Here in example 2 you have to represent 13 by 5 and minus 13 by 5 on the number line. Clearly 13 by 5 is a positive rational number and minus 13 by 5 is a negative rational number. Now I have plotted first 13 by 5. Now in this rational number, check numerator is 13 and denominator is 5. So numerator is greater than denominator. So now we will follow step number 2. First we have to convert this rational number into mixed fraction in order to find out where it lies on the number line. सबसे पहले जो हमें फ्रैक्शन है 13 by 5, इसको हमने किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन सबको आता है कन्वर्ट करना. सिंपली वी हैव टू डिवाइड 13 by 5. वी विल गेट 3 by 5 as our mixed fraction. Okay, so 2 is the whole number part and 3 by 5 is rational number. Okay, so clearly from the whole number part we can find out that this number, rational number, will lie between 2 and 3. This whole number part will guide us that where this rational number will lie on the number line. So it is lying between 2 and 3. Now come to the rational number part. Rational number part is 3 by 5. So between 2 and 3, 3 by 5 in 3 by 5 denominator is 5. So between 2 and 3 you have to divide द नंबर लाइन इंटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. 2 और 3 के बीच में जो है आपको नंबर लाइन को कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है? 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. देन आफ्टर डैट जो थर्ड पार्ट है उसको आपको इनसर्किल करना है. दैट विल बी योर रिक्वायर्ड रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 13 by 5. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर ऑन द नंबर लाइन 0, 1, 2 and 3, whole number part of this mixed fraction gives the indication where this fraction will lie. It will lie between 2 and 3. Next, the fraction part 3 by 5 is denominator will give the information about how many parts this number line is divided between 2 and 3. The number line between 2 and 3 is divided into 5 equal parts. And then from the left hand side we have to count 3 because numerator is 3. लेफ्ट साइड से हमने कितना काउंट करना है? 3. जो थर्ड पार्ट होगा वो आपका क्या देगा? दैट विल गिव द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर 13 by 5. ओके, इसलिए थर्ड पार्ट को हमने इनसर्किल किया है. और सिमिलरली वी विल रिप्रेजेंट -13 by 5 ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. इट विल ऑल्सो लाई बिटवीन -2 and -3. देन वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स and the third part will be encircled, and this third part will give the representation of -13 by 5. Now I think you have clearly understood how to represent the given rational number on the number line. So moving on to exercise 4b. In 4b I have solved some of the questions that I will explain you in my next video. Thank you.